Activists of Sri Mata Vaishno Devi Sangharsh Samiti have hit the streets here in the holy town of Katra. They are staging protests against the proposed ropeway project from Tarakot in Katra to Sanji Chhat on the Yatra track. The protesters are saying that this proposed ropeway project is going to harm the interests of the business community, traders here in Katra, and they are also saying that it's going to harm the environment here in the holy town of Katra. You can see that there are banners, there are posters which say that no ropeway, no ropeway. So there are protests being staged here in the holy town of Katra by the traders, by the activists as well as by many organizations. A total shutdown is being observed in the holy town of Katra today. The traders' bodies are observing a bandh today. You can see that the shops are shut in the markets of Katra. The shutters are down and there are posters like these which say no ropeway. So there is an agitation here in Katra against the proposed ropeway project, and the activists of the Sri Mata Vaishno Devi Sangharsh Samiti have said that they are going to intensify their agitation if the government doesn't roll back its decision. As far as government is concerned, it has said that no decision will be taken that harms the interests of the people, and no decision will be taken without taking all the stakeholders into confidence. But there are protests that have broken out today here in Katra. You can see that a large number of people are staging protests. They are saying that they are not going to tolerate this ropeway project because it's going to harm the environment, it's going to harm the interests of the traders and business community. The traders and business community is saying that this project is going to hit the economy of Katra. So that's why protests are being staged. There are posters all across the markets of Katra which say that no ropeway, no ropeway. Here you can see that there are youth who are staging dharna and protests here. They are demanding that this ropeway project should be cancelled, this proposed ropeway project, and the government should immediately roll back its decision. So protests are being staged in Katra today and markets are shut. There is a bandh call that has been given by Sri Mata Vaishno Devi Sangharsh Samiti.
मेरा नाम अर्जुन सिंह है जी।
आज यहाँ पर जो प्रोटेस्ट चल रहे हैं, मुझे बताइए जो रोपवे प्रोजेक्ट को लेकर आप लोगों की क्या क्या आपत्तियाँ हैं?
सर रोपवे के लेकर आपत्ति हैं जो पुराना रूट है जिस रास्ते से माता रानी गई उस रास्ते को टोटल बाईपास किया जा रहा है। आप बताएं कहाँ ये अच्छी बात है? गवर्नमेंट को सबको पता है कि माता रानी जिस रास्ते से ये बाणगंगा है, चरण पादुका है, अर्धकुंवारी है, टोटली बाईपास करके एक नया शहर बसाने के चक्कर में है ये श्राइन बोर्ड, अपना व्यापार और अपने तिजोरियाँ भरने के चक्कर में। और
तो आपकी मांग क्या है सरकार?
हमारी मांग यही है कि हमारे जो पुराना ट्रेडिशनल रास्ता है माता रानी का, जो माता रानी ने खुद बनाया अपने पाँव से नंगे पाँव चल के, उसकी आस्था खराब मत कीजिए। और हमारे हिंदुओं को हम किस पे भरोसा करें? हमारी जो सरकारें हैं ये बोलती हैं कि हम सनातनी हैं। अभी कहाँ है सनातनी है वो सारे? उनको नहीं दिख रहा है कि रास्ता टोटली माता रानी का खंडित कर रही है, यात्रा ही पूरी खंडित कर रही है ये।
A total shutdown is being observed in the holy town of Katra, which is the base camp of Sri Mata Vaishno Devi Yatra. The bandh call today has been given by Sri Mata Vaishno Devi Sangharsh Samiti against the proposed ropeway project from Katra to Sanji Chhat. The Sangharsh Samiti is saying that this ropeway project is going to harm the interests of the traders and business community here in Katra town, and that is why Sri Mata Vaishno Devi Sangharsh Samiti has given a bandh call today, and they have said that if government doesn't roll back its decision, then they are going to intensify their agitation. They are going to go on an indefinite strike. But you can see the impact of this bandh call. There is a total shutdown. The shutters of shops in the markets are down. The shutters are locked. And you can see that posters like these have been pasted everywhere in the markets. No ropeway. So clearly you can see that there is agitation going on here in Katra city against the proposed ropeway project. Although the government has said that they will only go ahead with this project after taking every stakeholder into confidence. But the Sangharsh Samiti is saying that they are not going to accept this ropeway project, and it's going to harm the economy of Katra town, and they are not going to tolerate this kind of decision by the government. We are right now standing in the main market of Katra town, and here you can see the impact of the Bandh call. Shutters are down. There is total shutdown in Katra city. Shutters of shops are down. Yesterday, many traders' bodies met and they decided to extend their support to this Bandh call. Here also, on the other side of the market area here, you can see that markets are shut today. These markets used to bustle with people, the devotees who arrive here every day. They do shopping in these shops, but today the markets are closed and you can see the impact of the Bandh call. The Sangharsh Samiti has said that it's a one-day strike, it's a token strike, but if the government decides to go ahead with this ropeway project, then they are going to intensify their agitation. Here you can see that there is deployment of security forces also, because the Sangharsh Samiti is also going to stage protest today. The Sangharsh Samiti has said that it's going to stage a peaceful demonstration here against the government's decision of having a ropeway here. The Sangharsh Samiti has made it clear that they are not going to tolerate this ropeway project because it's going to harm the interests of the business community and it's going to hit the livelihood of people in Katra.
पिछले साल 5 मंदिर श्राइन बोर्ड ने बनाए थे, 5 के निर्माण का काम और हाथ में लिया है, तो 1 करोड़ की लागत से ये 5 मंदिर और बनाए जाएंगे जो गांव के निवासियों को सुपुर्द कर दिए जाएंगे। देश भर के लोग, क्या मैं कहूं कि देश के बाहर के भी लोग आते हैं श्रद्धा के कारण मां वैष्णो देवी का दर्शन करने। तो कटरा शहर भी एक आध्यात्मिक शहर और सुंदर शहर बने, क्लीन एंड ग्रीन शहर बने, इसके लिए नगर पालिका जम्मू कश्मीर प्रशासन तो करेगा ही। श्राइन बोर्ड ने भी इस बार फैसला किया कि कटरा शहर के आधुनिकीकरण के लिए और उसके विकास के लिए श्राइन बोर्ड अपने कोष से सहायता करके उसे भी सुंदर शहर बनाएगा, ताकि जो लोग आवे दर्शन करने एक अनुभूति उनको हो सके कि नहीं वास्तव में माँ देवी के चरणों में माए। मैं तो आया हूँ, कुछ दुकानें बंद दिखी हैं, लेकिन आप देख रहे हैं कि गांव के लोग समर्थन कर रहे हैं और मैं यही कहूँगा कि कटरा का अभूतपूर्व विकास करना ये श्राइन बोर्ड का उद्देश्य है। देश भर के श्रद्धालु आते हैं और कटरा के निवासियों से मेरी अपील होगी कि वो एकदम आश्वस्त रहें, किसी की रोजी रोटी पर कोई संकट नहीं आएगा और श्राइन बोर्ड हर तरह के लोगों से बातचीत करके उन बेहतर से बेहतर समाधान करेगा।
With video journalist Neeraj Kumar, this is Sunil Bhatt reporting from Katra in Riyasi district of Jammu and Kashmir for India Today.